Today we're right here by my computer because we're gonna do a little bit something different. We're gonna do something different today. We're gonna go ahead and purchase the Kothari print. I think that's how you say it. Well, anyways, it's a $1,200 program. It's supposed to give you higher quality prints, better gradients, while saving white ink. I've seen some comparisons, and to me, it looks like it's worth it. We're gonna try to do a comparison between Garment Creator and the Kothari print, and let you guys know if in the end if it's worth it. I mean, because it's one thing that people that sell the program tell you it's worth it, and then when you buy it, it's something completely different. Hopefully, it's user friendly, or because if not, then it's just gonna be another program that I have to learn and go with the process of. Obviously, there's always a learning curve in every program, but hopefully it's not like too complicated. But we're gonna go ahead and purchase it. $1,200 for the program. I believe it's a disc and the USB that they're gonna ship out to me. The USB is probably like a code or something for it to let the program know that I did purchase it. And obviously the disc, it has the program. So yeah, we're gonna do once it gets here, we're gonna do some comparisons, try to see which is better. Hopefully it's worth it, because if not, I probably just lost $1,200 trying to save on some white ink. But if it does save me white ink and it prints better, then it's of course it's gonna be worth it. I mean, I've seen some comparisons. They have a guitar, and they have a guitar on fire, and they have the Garment Creator. I'm gonna go ahead and post it right here. As you can see, the guitar on the Garment Creator looks a bit faded. So yeah, like I said, once the program gets here, I honestly thought it was gonna be like a downloadable file, but I guess not. I guess they gotta ship it to you with the USB and stuff. So once it gets here, we're gonna go ahead and do the comparison for the Kothari rip and the Garment Creator. Yeah, but let's just hope it's worth it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and hit the notification bell. That way you can get notified whenever I do upload the comparison video.